I'm deeply troubled by a recent incident that a friend of mine experienced at work. Despite being a highly skilled manager, she was the victim of gender discrimination. And the way she reported it to a senior exec, she was then undermined even more. And this situation highlights the ongoing problem of organizational cultures that tolerate unhelpful, toxic and dehumanizing leadership behaviors. Now, the root cause is often a lack of emotional intelligence, particularly in the domains of self-perception and self-awareness. Leaders who lack this kind of emotional intelligence, these muscles of EQ, they might feel threatened by the success of others and discriminate against them as a result from their own position of low self-perception. Or they might even lack the awareness that they are even exhibiting unconscious biases, that they might live that out without even knowing it from their low self-awareness. On the other hand, leaders who develop their own EQ are better equipped to manage their own insecurities. They can overcome them. They can overcome some of these biases. They can do it more easily by communicating more effectively in ways that build people up instead of tearing them down. Leaders that prioritize EQ, that see it as a vital component for human professional relationships, they are more likely to be respected and admired by their colleagues and peers and those who report to them. And this is going to lead to increased influence and ultimately success.